Hey guys, it's Justin, and welcome to another Lego build. This is a Lego Technic Ford Raptor. It says Raptor there. You can see Raptor, Lego Technic, 1,379 pieces, set number 42126, Ford Raptor. You can see here, actual size compared to my finger. So it's going to be a little bigger than this. We built in the last episode, the McLaren Senna. It's going to be a bit bigger than that. In fact, it's 15 inches long. This is, or 16 inches long, rather. My next set is 22.5 inches long. And you guys probably don't know what it is, so that's awesome. But you can see, there it is compared to the actual Raptor. Very cool. I like the box. I like how they did this box. So let's go ahead and open this here. And there, I saw the finger tabs. There's 2 of them here. Let's go ahead and stab in the finger tabs and open it up. Now, like I said, this has 1,000 something pieces. So the other Lego Technic I built did not have this many. It had like 800. So it'll probably take me 3 or 4 hours to build this. But that's okay, because it's pretty cool. So we have bag 2 here. Bag 3, another bag 3, another bag 2, and then bag 1, and bag 1 I'm guessing, yeah, another bag 1. We got the sticker sheet. We have this bag, which has the tires and stuff. The tires look really cool. They have a cool tread pattern on them. We have the tires and the fenders, it looks like. And the inner wheel well, maybe? I don't know what this black part is here. Guess we'll find out. And another bag 3. There's 3 bag 3s, 2 bag 2s, 2 bag 1s. And the book, which is gigantic. It's 265 pages, 432 steps to build this thing, which is crazy. So I guess the only thing we can do here is to get started. And I do have, as you can see, I do have a top-down camera view now. So you can see everything top-down. Let's go ahead and get started. And here it is, all done. So you can see, I mean, it's snowing out, so that's a little bit of a shame. It's not gigantic, but it's got some nice details. You can see here in the engine is the V6, and it does move with the truck. Steering works using this little knob on the top. Inside of the car, you probably saw this, but there's a nice dashboard in there. Back door's all open too, and the bed opens. It does have really, you can put it up on it, and it has really good flex on the suspension. So you can see the front there. That side's lifted up really well. That side's sunk in, but that is like, I mean, it's got some really good suspension. There's it level with the bed, and there's level with the ground. It's really good. So I brought out here two other ones, of course. I brought out the McLaren Senna to show you the size compared to that. Pretty big compared to it. And then I brought out here this truck, which I built on my other channel before. It's probably my biggest truck. So you can see they're almost the same size truck-wise, but the this purple one here is a little taller. And I can also put it next to my truck, and here it is next to my truck. It's a Nissan Frontier. You'll see more on that in the future. It's not gigantic compared to it, but it's still fairly large, you know. Also, I'm using my phone to record now, so I don't know if the quality is any better, but it might be. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and that bell icon down below to get notified of when I upload, because I have a big Lego set coming up just around the corner, and I hope you enjoyed. And until next time, this has been Drew Reston, and goodbye.